Hello and welcome back. And so in this episode, we're going to be exploring um, using the microbit to create a dice. So you can see I've got a dice right here. So it's a sort of just regular dice. I stole it from the kids' room. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use our microbit to do the same sort of thing. Now, so let's go ahead and create a new project, call it dice. So some of the things that we know about a dice, it has got 6 sides associated with it. So we can, and when you roll it, oh, it's going to give any number sort of thing. So between 1 and 6. So we want to use the opportunity here to uh, explore with the inputs, and then we're also going to use some randomness in here. So we're going to get rid of these on start and forever blocks, and we're going to go into input, and we're going to use this on shake. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see that. So we've got on shake, and when we shake it, we want it to display something. So we're going to go into basic, show number, and then we need to display a certain number. Now, I can go ahead and test this out. So in the simulator, off on the sides, you'll see here that there's an on shake. And so when I click the shake button, it will shake number 0. I can also shake just by moving my mouse back and forth. It will shake it as well. Now, that's not as exciting as what we would really want, because what we really want to see here is a dice. And so a dice is between 0 or between 1 and 6. And so we got to go into our math. And just at the bottom, well, I don't know if it's the bottom, but it's close to the bottom, there's a pick random 0 to 10. So we're going to take this and we're going to put that right into that show number there. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. And so again, the numbers here are going to give us between 0 and 10. But we don't want between 0 and 10. We want between 1 and 6, or the number of faces that we have on our dice. So if I let this run here in my simulator, I can click shake, and I get a 5. Shake it again, I get a 5. Shake again, I get a 5. There we go. Get a 1, 3. Maybe I wasn't clicking it hard enough. But yeah, you can see how we're getting all the numbers between 1 and 6. So again, I want to test this out on my microbit. So I'm just going to flip back over to have my camera on. Just bring my code down so we can see it better. And we're going to go ahead and download this onto the microbit. So again, you'll see how it'll sort of flash in the back here, letting you know that it is reading the code, or it's receiving the code. And also we'll have it'll pop up on our screen saying downloading, downloading, and then download complete. So now we should just be able to go ahead and shake this and get a number. So if I was to take my real dice, I'm going to shake it here. I got a 3. That's a 4. So microbit wins if I'm going for the highest one. I don't know. I'm just making up my game as I go along here. So dice. Oh, tie. No one wins, no one loses, sort of thing. So there you have it. There's a nice, simple microbit, program. Only 3 blocks of code. Put that together, and there you go. Now the cool thing about this is you can also, instead of pick random 1 to 6, you can also do pick random 1 to 20, or if you have these special dice for some of the games that you want, or let's say that you're making your own board game and you only want between a certain range, so you can go ahead and do that. And so this will be a fun opportunity for you to explore with having different ranges on your dice. So again, thanks for watching, And if you have any need for any support, please feel free to reach out. I'm always here, hoping to help out my followers. And yeah, bye for now, and happy coding, everyone.